Yo, what is going on, YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And on this channel, you guys, we talk about marketing, mindset, motivation, and primarily how to make you money online so that you can quit your 9 to 5, get time back on your side, and have a life of freedom. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can start earning free PayPal cash, you guys, for doing things that you're doing every single day. Anyways, I'm also going to share with you some tips and tricks of how you can automate this so that it's very, very simple and you have to put in almost zero effort to do this, you guys. You can even get paid in cold hard cash in the form of check. This is 100% legit. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you my #1 recommendation of how I got started making money online 10 months ago, you guys. And I have had insane results. And I can't express to you enough how much I believe in this and how much I want you to get started doing this, because I know that you can do it as well. Because if I can do it, you can do it too. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this video. All right, who wants to start claiming their free PayPal cash right now? Let me know down in the comments. Leave me a comment, just type free PayPal cash, free money, whatever. I want to see everybody that is watching this channel type something down in the comments. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up, you guys. Now, the name of the website that you're going to want to be at is called Rakuten, and that is what we're looking at right now. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, you guys, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you tons of fabulous new methods about how you can make money online. So looking at Rakuten right here, if you're not familiar with this, if you're brand new to Rakuten, or if you've used Rakuten before, make sure that you stick with me, because like I said, I have some tips and tricks that I'm going to be sharing with you on this video that can completely automate this process pretty much and help you make the most money possible. Now, everybody out there that is not familiar with Rakuten, basically what this is a cash back website. And that is how you are going to start making money for things that you're doing every single day. Anyways, all of your online shopping, whether this is being done on your phone, whether it's being done on your tablet, whether it's on your desktop, laptop, computers, you guys, you can start getting free cash back. So doing this on a desktop computer where you have an actual browser, looking at this window right here, I want to point out that there are very, very well-known, reputable brands affiliated with Rakuten, you guys. And we're talking about brands such as like Amazon, Macy's, Walmart, eBay, Kohl's, Target, Under Armour, Groupon. And if you click on most of these, there is very, very good cashback offers. Right now for Groupon, we're looking at 8%. For Under Armour, we're at 6%. Banana Republic, 8%. Now, if you're wondering, do I have to come to this website to actually claim these offers? You don't. I'm going to show you a little trick, because basically what happens while you're signing up through your web browser, and by the way, the way to sign up is right up here at the top where it says join now. You're going to click this, you guys, and it's going to ask for your name, your email address, some very, very simple stuff, and you're signed up literally within like a minute. And it's going to ask you, do you want to install the browser plugin? Now, you need to be using Google Chrome for this to actually work, I believe, but you want to install that plugin while you're going through the sign up process, because this is very, very critical. And it helps you out, because anywhere that you're surfing on the web and you're shopping or doing anything on the web, it's going to automatically go out there and search for those deals and show you exactly what the percentages are that you could actually be saving. So for example, if we were to run a search on Groupon, because obviously we know that Groupon is affiliated with Rakuten and you can get up to 8% cash back. So if we come over to our web browser and we run a search, right? Because we're just browsing the web and we're searching for things that we want to buy, and we're happen to be searching on Groupon. You can see that the browser plugin right here actually already went out and found that Rakuten has an 8% cashback offer right now if you buy anything on Groupon. So you come to their site, you see the little R right here, the plugin that's installed in your web browser shows you that you have 8% cash back. You're going to click on Groupon's website. You come directly to their website. And then what you're going to notice is up here in the corner, Rakuten's actually going to pop you with a little pop-up right here that says activate your up to 8% cash back. So you don't actually have to go to Rakuten's website to claim any of these offers. You're simply going to click activate the 8% cashback offer. It's going to do its little search real quick, and it's going to activate that for you. And then you're going to notice right up in the corner, it's going to say up to 8% cashback offer now active. Now, anything right now that I buy on Groupon, I'm going to get an 8% cash back on any of it. So that is really, really cool, you guys, considering that you can do this on sites such as like Walmart, Amazon, Macy's. And if you come over here to all stores right here and you click see all stores, you can see that there are tons of different categories and there are tons of stores listed on here. What's also really cool, you guys, is you can actually activate in-store cashback offers. Now, you have to actually link your credit card to Rakuten, I believe, for this to actually work. I haven't done any in stores, but this is very simple. And there's a different app that I actually use on my phone that's very similar to this, and it works really, really good. And this way, if you're going to those stores and you're doing any of that shopping, anytime that you actually use that card that's linked to this, you're going to automatically collect those cashback offers. That is really, really cool. Now, hold up real quickly. If you are thinking this is too good to be true, it doesn't work, it's some type of scam, it's really, really not, you guys. It's very, very simple. And I want to kind of prove this to you and explain exactly what's happening here and how they're able to give you 10% cash back, how Rakuten is actually able to accomplish this and give you that money back. So check this out. I want to first show this to you in the Apple App Store, you guys. In the Apple App Store right now, if you were to download the application and come here, you can see that this has been rated by 24.2 thousand people, and it's rated roughly 4.5 stars, you guys, 4.4 stars. If we look at it over here in the Google Play Store, you can see that this has been rated by 53,596 people, 4-star rating, breaking into the 5th star right here. People absolutely love this. And again, you can see save up to just 40% in just one tap. Macy's, Groupon, Walmart, Kohl's, Lyft, Sephora. So these are very well-known places that you're shopping at all the time. You might as well claim your free money right now. Now, if you want to know how is Rakuten able to give you all this money back, and basically what's happening here is Rakuten, if you're familiar with affiliate marketing, is they are basically a super affiliate. What they've done is they've developed a program, and they went out there and they've partnered with all of these different stores, you guys. And what they're doing is they're bringing them customers, and in return, they are giving Rakuten a certain percentage of money for bringing them customers. And what Rakuten is doing is they're sharing that percentage with you, and that's how they're able to pay you. So they get a little bit of it, and they're giving you up to 10% of that, sometimes maybe even more for some of these items. So if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, you guys, this is basically exactly what I am doing, as a person, not on the scale that they're doing it, and with a website and stuff like that, but I'm basically doing affiliate marketing as well. And if you're not familiar with that, about a year ago is when I got started doing this. And now I tried this, probably 15 years ago. I just dabbled in it a little bit, and I got hung up and basically quit. And about a year ago, 10 months, sorry to keep repeating myself, but about 10 months ago, I got really serious about this because I wanted to start my own online business. And I wanted to know what path forward I could use on the internet to create the most money with the least amount of resistance, that was the easiest, that worked and was proven to work. And through my research, I landed on affiliate marketing. So my next step was basically to understand, exactly what I needed to be doing, a roadmap to success, a blueprint, if you will, of steps that I could follow that would tell me exactly what I needed to do to find success. Because all of the business ventures that I've done in the past, and by the way, I have tried a ton of different business models and different business ventures, only to lose a lot of money and fell very hard. And but I've always kept going, and that's one thing that's always really helped me. But this time around, I wanted an actual step-by-step process, somebody that could take me by the hand and say, do this, not this. Do what works. If you want to be successful, model what successful people are already doing. I'm not saying copy them, but follow exactly what works, you guys. And so that's how I got started. I got started in affiliate marketing. I bought a course. I invested in myself, you guys. If you're really serious about being very successful, invest in yourself. Be willing to spend a little bit of money to get the actual right information and the help in front of you to tell you exactly what you need to be doing so that you can stop struggling and get through there, get through that faster and actually get on that path to success. If this sounds like something that's interesting to you, make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of this description of this video. You guys, have left that for you. It's chadbennettlive.com. This is 100% legit, you guys. The company that I got involved with, they're very, very reputable. They've always been extremely honest, and they've given me the opportunity and the information that I need to be very successful online. Within a matter of 10 months now, I am making money online, and you can do it too. If I can do it, I know you can do it too. Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and wrap this one up. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up if you found any valuable content in this video at all. It helps to grow this channel. It helps to get this information out to as many people as possible, and I always extremely appreciate every single like, every single comment that I get. Make sure that you leave a comment down there, even if you just say make money online. Let me know what your questions are. I will get back to you. Share these videos, you guys. I always extremely appreciate all the support that I get from all of my fans on this channel. And like I said, you guys, I hope that you make the most money online. Go out there, apply this technique. Check out my #1 recommendation if you are serious in 2020 to start making money online and start your own online business. I cannot recommend that one enough. So that's all I have for you. I will see you on the next one. Peace.